NGPON-2 Forum is here at the Broadband World Forum for the very first time, and I'm joined by the president and founder, Bernd Hesse. Bernd, nice to speak to you at Telecoms Talk. First of all, tell me about the forum and the background to why it's working in the market.
Okay, the NGPON2 Forum is an industry interest group, and the purpose of it, the mission is basically to create momentum in the market, create awareness of NGPON2 as an architecture for access networks, to drive basically the converged access networks more and more.
So what sort of companies and organizations should be wanting to join up?
Well, what we have done in the past with other forums, and we will do the same thing here, we will have industry events, pre-workshops, and those workshops are split into 4 different segments. The first segment is typically the analyst market, where companies like Ovum provide an overview on the market. The second segment is then the component market, where you get an update on the latest components for the NGPON2 architectures. And the third segment is the market for the systems. So you have basically system companies presenting their solutions, which are ready to go. And then the last segment is an operator segment, where you have operators presenting on the latest development in their networks. Very similar to that what we did today with the panel here. We had the 4 operators, and after that it ended up with a panel discussion.
Well, that sounds like quite a wide spectrum of the market, but you've already got some very big names.
Yes, we actually founded the forum at OFC, and shortly after that we established a board, and the board has members from NTT, from Vodafone, from Verizon, from Altislab, and from Atran and Calix.
Well, that's not a bad starting point. In about a year's time, what would you hope to have achieved? What are some of the landmarks you're looking to get through?
The goal is definitely that we see more and more deployments of NGPON2 as the architecture for carriers. Again, it's the advantages are definitely better than any other post-point solutions you have in the market today.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us.
You're welcome.